Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can easily scrape bulk email address from Twitter. It's completely free, guys. So guys, let's dive in. Guys, at first we go to Chrome browser and open Google search bar and click Google search bar. You can type site colon. As that we can scrape email address from Twitter. That's why we type twitter.com. Then we can space. Now we can edit double quotation. Guys, now we can edit email service provider. If you want, you can search gmail.com or @yahoo.com or Outlook email service provider. Now I want to choose gmail.com. So type type double quotation. After that you can space. Guys, now you can choose country or location. Suppose guys we choose USA, but we choose specific USA any city. Like I choose, guys, we again type double quotation and type California. Again type double quotation and after that again space and again we type double quotation. Guys, now we choose job title. You can choose any job title whatever you want, like plumber, dentist or restaurant, roofer, content creator, digital marketer, whatever you want you choose. Now I choose dentist. So type dentist. Again double quotation and click enter. Can you see guys, they provided dentist person email. This is the California location. This is the another mail. This is the another email dentist California location. Guys, they provide 100 of search result, but you don't find 100 search result. You can see just 10 result. Guys, if you want to need 100 search result, at first you can click tools and click advanced search. Now we choose ranging from 1 and others and advanced search. I am not a robot. So now we can edit a Chrome extension. So you can click three dot and click extension and click visit Chrome web store and search Google. Click enter. Can you see guys, this is the extension. I already installed my Chrome browser. You can just edit this Chrome. I already installed this extension. That's why this extension is added my Chrome browser. But your Chrome browser extension is not added. So you can see edit Chrome. So you can click edit Chrome. When you click edit Chrome, then go to our previous Google search bar and we can just pin this extension. Pin and reload this page. Can you see guys, now you can easily find your 100 search of your Google page. They provide second, third page. Guys, now we can scrape our email address from this page. Now we can again go to Chrome browser and type email extractor and click email extractor. You can edit this extension. I already installed this extension from my Chrome browser. So again go to your Google search bar and click. You can just pin this email extractor. Click and again reload this page. Now can you see guys, they provide 86 email address on this page. You can just copy all email address this first page. You can open your any doc file or CSV file and paste your email address. Suppose I open my Excel file, I open my CSV format, paste my email address. Paste 86 email address on my Excel. You can visit second page. This page they provide 66 email address and you can again copy all email address and paste your CSV file or docs file, whatever you want. Guys, you can easily send your cold campaign from this email and easily sell your product or any service. Guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment box.